How to play games on Snapchat. In this video, I'm going to show you the easy method to play games on Snapchat. So do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video, you will learn how to do it. Now, without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Before proceeding, make sure your Snapchat app is up to date so that you can enjoy the latest features on it. For that, go ahead and open Play Store or App Store depending upon your device. And if there is any update button on Snapchat app, then you have to tap on Update and update your app. Once done, select the Open button and open the Snapchat app on your device. Then you will reach on this camera section. Select the chat icon at the bottom left corner of the screen so that you can easily open any friend's ID where you want to play games on. Once you open it and tap on send a chat, you need to select the emoji button next to the microphone icon. And here below it you will see the games option here. If you don't see any games option here, you simply need to get back from this chat section page and select the Bitmoji at the top left corner of the screen. Now on this feed, you need to simply select the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen to access the settings page. Now on this settings page, you have to scroll all the way down and under this support, select I need help. Now on this Snapchat support page, users have to type in games on Snapchat, and if you see any ways to play games on Snapchat, then you can apply. Otherwise, Snapchat does not allow us to play games on Snapchat. So that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.